Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Hope the week's gone well. We got some rain last night, which was pleasant, but it keeps getting very hot by midday, which is when I do this podcast. Let's go to the currency markets. Euro dollar 112.52, having touched 112.34. Dollar index 96.96. Japanese yen 110.26. Swiss franc 0.9958, the pound 131.51. Really not getting much oomph from the decision by Boris Johnson to vote for the Prime Minister's plan. The Aussie 0.7089, India rupee 68.9535 seemed to weather the storm in emerging markets yesterday. South Korean won 11.3713. The Real, that's had a terrible few sessions, 3.99. Egyptian pound 17.308. South African rand 14.6167. This is a dollar index chart from Simple Trends, and bottom line is I keep having this song replay in my mind, Don't Stop Me Now, I am burning through the sky. Question, who's the group? Who's the singer? Boris Johnson is going to back May's deal on Brexit. This is a chart showing you what's happened. We're at 131.52. It's still not clear to me. It still remains murky. Euro dollar S&P Global cut 2019 Eurozone growth forecast to 1.1% from 1.6%. We're now at 112.55, but I think we're going a lot low. 106. Yet for all the scrutiny Boeing faced after the crash of Ethiopian Airlines 302 and the subsequent grounding of its 737 MAX planes around the world, the company had initially very little to say. Dennis Muhlenberg, the chief executive, is on the board of the Business Roundtable. He's Boeing's top executive in Washington, is a seasoned operator who worked in the Clinton White House, but basically said absolutely nothing for a whole week. There was no commanding voice of authority. Story quickly transcended Washington. Consumers scheduled to fly on 737 MAXs requested to switch planes. The travel site Kayak added a feature that allowed shoppers to sort flights by plane type. Boeing responded as a business-to-business company, but this has become a business-to-consumer issue. Consumers now care about what plane they fly, what plane they are on. Of course they do. Don't we all? And I wrote about this, and I said Boeing's whataboutism PR response is so D-. Instead, they've taken a big hit, but more worryingly, the corporate's reactions to a fast-moving situation was seriously poor. Lack of touch and finesse. Mind-boggling, I called it. Resolutely behind the curve from the get-go. Message being sent was safety came second. A simply untenable position. And now we learn that Airbus has just sealed a $35 billion 300 aircraft deal from China during President Xi Jinping's visit to France. And so have a think about that. It's really quite extraordinary, and it's unfolded in real time. I take you back to the 8th of August, 2018, when Mr. Elon Musk said, I'm considering taking Tesla private at $420. And according to Sun Chartist, a weekly close below $275 sets it up for the 197 area as the first target. Commodity markets, let's have a look. Gold, 1308.35. I think it's going down. Everyone is long. Everyone seems bullish. I haven't found a single bear anywhere. WTI for May delivery, that's last trading at $59. It's had a stupendous first quarter, up 31%, but it's unlikely it's going to go any higher. This is a chart of coffee from Patrick Rooney, who I follow on social media, and we're at 13-year plus lows. And I spoke about this in the program yesterday. Few facts on the coffee business: 2.8 billion plus cups of coffee consumed daily, and the global coffee business is worth $50 to $100 billion.